Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your Microsoft 365 account must have both Outlook and Teams enabled. Once signed in, install the Outlook desktop client or open Outlook web. Make sure the Teams add-in is visible in Calendar view. You should grant calendar and microphone permissions so meetings work immediately. After that, open Teams and verify you're using the same account as Outlook. This allows seamless. You now schedule a Teams meeting inside Outlook. Click New Teams Meeting in Calendar, add a clear title, time, and required attendees, and paste an agenda in the body. Once done, open Meeting Options to control lobby behavior and presenter roles so you avoid interruptions. If you want a channel meeting, link the appropriate team channel. Otherwise, attach files directly to the invitation. Make sure to set recording and transcript permissions so attendees know how the session will be captured. When it's meeting time, you join from the Outlook link or directly in the Teams app. Use the pre-join screen to test camera and microphone. During the meeting, record and save the transcript to the channel or OneDrive so follow-up is centralized. Then paste meeting minutes back into the event. If something goes wrong, first sign out and sign back into both apps. Clear the Teams cache, and ensure the Outlook Teams add-in is enabled. That resolves most calendar link issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.